In scenarios like this, I can start applying some of the cleanup. So if you go to combine matte, that's a bit clean. There's a bit of noise there. The bottom tabs is changing the view from program to what the foreground is, what does the background look like, combine matte, internal matte. Internal matte, we use it the most to see how the matte looks straight out of the camera and what Ultimatte interprets as the green removal, and then the fill out. So this is the views. On top you have the settings. So the first tab is the matte, and this is where everything related to the matte. And we'll go first to cleanup, to start and clean up a bit. So in the cleanup, we have the cleanup level button. So I can start increasing this, and you'll see that basically the highlight, the overexposed part disappears. But the other thing that you will see as I do this is that as I increase cleanup, something else happens. My key gets worse and worse as I increase the cleanup. So this is why it is quite important that you get a nice even green, and that your talent and the objects around are not full of spill, because when you start fixing stuff, you're breaking other things. So cleanup is a bit too messy for me. I can go to veil. The next option that I have is veil, and this is the noise veil that gets created. And you can see I'm removing it. So I can remove this, and it tries to keep a bit more of the highlights. Now, one trick that I figure out is if you do the veil the opposite down and you increase the cleanup, you're more likely to keep more of the highlights. You see that? I'm increasing the cleanup, and the veil the highlights stay. Whereas earlier, right, I had the veil as 0, and if I wanted to do the cleanup, so I'm losing the edges, right? So that's no good. If I try to increase the veil, I'm losing edges. So that keeps my highlights a bit more intact. I still have problems, as you can see, around the edges and stuff. So I don't like that. So I'm gonna go file clear again. I'm gonna go to fill. I'm gonna actually decrease the light until I don't have that hotspots, because the light hotspots, in my opinion, are the worst to fix.
On the green they're talking about.
On the green, yeah. So we'll remove that hotspot there, put it down until there's no more. And now let's go to combine matte. Right, it's not there anymore, but we're getting this noise. But this noise on top here is easier to fix than the hotspot that we have in the light. So now if I go to cleanup and I increase this fixes it, but still I don't like that reaction. So if I go to veil, the veil I should be able now to just slightly increase, and that disappears. So now I'm on what percent veil? I can put it at 2% veil. And that looks way better. I still have some noise in this area here, but this noise, so if you go to combine matte, if you can see it, there's gray here. And the reason why there's a bit of gray and noise is because this area is quite dark. So what I would need to do is increase the lights that come in here to light up this area a bit more, so that I don't have that much of a green spill. Because if you look at this, look at how much green it is in the hair on this side, right? So basically, Ultimatte is looking at this and struggling and trying to replace that and fix that and make that right. But it just introduces noise, because now if I go to this, you see the noise in the hair. You see how much noise here in the hair it is. And again, the way to properly fix that is putting some light in there. But we'll leave it as it is for now. The contour is good. We kept the hair and everything. But yeah, again, we do have this here. We just need to live with it for now, because again, this is something that you should be fixing with light rather than trying to fix it in post. Because if I would try to fix it now, I would go to veil. Let's try to increase veil further. No, that doesn't do the right thing. We'll decrease the veil to 11, and then we go to cleanup and increase the cleanup. And even then, we're actually breaking things, and the hair is still, there's still noise there. So yeah, I would fix that whenever you see that noise on your talent in those areas. Just go to foreground input, and bam, look at that. Look how much green there is there. And that's the reason why you're getting that noise, is because it's a ton of green on the talent that shouldn't be there. And the only way to fix that is by putting some light on that area so that is not that much green.